Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ekoja Joshua. Welcome to ICANN House of Sciences. In this section, I'll be solving mathematics style questions, and I want you to follow me gradually. As you follow me, you will enjoy the class. Thank you. Let's look at this question. Just as I told you, examination style mathematics questions. This is what we'll be looking at in this section. The first question here is solve the equation root x plus root 18 equal to root 50. This kind of equation is called radical equation. So let's approach it. The first thing we are going to do is to shift this to the other side. Some people say collect the lightens or subtract root 18 from both sides. Whichever method or words you use, you are okay. So we have root x would now be equal to root 50 minus root 18. Because the negative sign, once it crosses the equality sign, the result will become positive. Why? If negative cross equality sign, negative will become positive. As you can see, this is positive. The positive has what? Crossed the equality sign, has now become negative. Then the next thing we are going to do is to look at this very radical form here. This is root 50. And if you look at root 50, it is not in basic form. To take this to basic form, what do? You have your 50. 2 can go into 50. 50 divided by 2, we have 25. So it means that if we have 2 times 25, it will give us 50. Meaning that we are trying to make one of these numbers, as you can see. This one is a perfect square, and this one is not a perfect square. So we still have we'll do the same thing to this root 18. Root 18. So we can make it to become also what? 2 times 9. Because if you divide 18 by 2, you will have what? 9. And 2 times 9 is still 18. Now, the square root of 25 will give us 5. 2 is not a perfect square, so we have it back. And then, here, the square root of 9 is what? 3. 2 is also not a perfect square, so we have it. So as you can see, these two sorts are in their basic form. We have what is common to them, that is root 2. So we'll factor root 2 out. Then we have 5 minus 3. If we say root 2 times 5, it will give us this back. If we multiply it by this one will also give us this. So here we subtract. We are left with what? 2. Here we are having, if we multiply root 2 by 2, we'll have 2 root 2. We are going to apply law of indices here. And this is what we'll do. X become x raised to the power of what? Half. From one of the laws of indices. And this, we are going to make it 2 times. This time around 2 raised to the power of what? 1 all over 2 because of the root sign. And if any number is standing, the power of that number, if it doesn't have any power, there is invisible power here called 1. And we'll have to show it. So here is it. Having done this, the next thing we are going to do is to consider the base. As you can see, the bases are the same. The base here and this one, they are what? The same. So you are going to pick one from first law of indices, addition law of indices. Then what happened to the power we add? One plus half, it will give us 1 whole number, 1 all over 2. But when we turn it to improper fraction, it's going to give us what? 3 all over 2. 2 raised to the power of now 3 all over 2. Now you can see this very one, we can bring it back and we have our x equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 2. In mathematics, when we come to a point like this, we have to eliminate this very root sign, we have to take the square of both sides. So this root sign and this square cancel each other. We are left with x. And we have 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 2 times what? 2. We open the brackets. And of course, this 2 and this 1 will go. We are left with x equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. And 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. Two times 2 will give us 4. And then that 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. It means that the value of x is 8. Bye-bye. Like, follow, and share.